Hello, my name is Michael and I'm the head of international development of Braiden consulting law firm. Today we're going to consider top 5 main questions on debt recovery from individuals in Russia. The creditor's right to apply to the arbitration court with an application for declaring the debtor's bankruptcy arises if the following conditions are met. The debtor has an unfulfilled monetary obligation to the lender in the amount of at least 500,000 rubles. Failure by the debtor to pay more than 3 months. The presence of a court decision on debt collection that has entered into legal force. If an application for declaration of bankruptcy has not been submitted against an individual, it is necessary to immediately submit this application to the arbitration court. The court will consider the validity of this statement. As a result, a property sale procedure or a debt restructuring procedure will be introduced, as well as a financial manager will be appointed. In order to join the register of creditors' claims, the lender has 2 months from the date of publication in the Commerçant newspaper. Then the register must be closed completely. It is necessary to prepare an application for inclusion in the register, submit the application to the arbitration court, appear at the court session in order to provide the judge with the originals of the documents. Please pay attention to the fact that it's not necessary to have a final court decision on the recovery of funds from a bankrupt debtor in order to join the register. If the lender managed to file an application first, then the court introduces a procedure for the sale of property for a period of 6 months and appoints the candidacy of an arbitration manager specified by this first lender in the application. If the debtor or other creditors manage to get ahead of you in the filing the declaration of bankruptcy, then you will lose the opportunity to have your own financial manager in the property sale procedure, and access to information will be limited. Thus, the financial manager will act in the interests of the person who was the first to submit the application, making it difficult for you to obtain a positive result. There are various ways to collect debts. Collection of receivables. As part of the bankruptcy procedure, the debtor is often found to have receivables that haven't been collected by the debtor, challenging transactions for the withdrawal of debtor's assets. The financial manager has the ability to challenge suspicious transactions and payments of the debtor for the last 3 years before the date of acceptance of the application for declaring the debtor's bankruptcy. Sale of the debtor's property by auction. One of the advantages of bankruptcy procedure is the ability to sell the property and property rights of the debtor at an auction. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to Braiden Consulting YouTube channel.